The new Model 3, it is getting a completely new design on the front end. With recent leaks, there's a totally new design on the front, but we haven't seen anything on the back side, and the side profile is mostly the same. Here is that new Model 3. It is crazy different. You can see it looks so much like the Roadster. The Model 3 is now the Roadster's brother. Those headlights, the front lip, the ventilation grille, no fog lights. This is Roadster vibes here on the Model 3, and that looks sick. There are new wheel designs, and the side repeater camera is more like the Model Y as the crease goes into the door panel, but that front end looks sick. It is crazy looking on the front end. And the interior, it's all covered. We haven't seen anything on the interior yet, but hopefully there is a new design in the interior. But I really cannot wait for this vehicle to go in production. That will be really, really, really exciting. This vehicle is expected to start deliveries in Q3 of 2023. So right now we're in the second quarter, so just this quarter has to finish, and then in the next quarter is where the good stuff happens. But apart from that, I'm going to be making the rendering for this new Model 3, and it's going to be an ASMR experience. So here is the process. Here it is. This is my rendering of the new Model 3. If you'd like to see this picture, then click on the links in the description down below. It's on my Twitter page and on my community tab. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the current Model 3 and the new Model 3. You can see there's a crazy difference. The new Model 3 looks beautiful on the front, and I really cannot wait for this vehicle to start delivering. And that is pretty much it for this episode. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think of this new design? But anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for today's episode.